So hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Preetham. So आज की वीडियो में we are going to talk about does no really mean no. Without any further ado, let's get started. So क्या सीन हुआ था थोड़े दिन पहले guy whom I'm coaching तो वो गया था डेट पे. Finally he got dates like 3 dates in like what 2-3 days man. So he was on a date and उसका main concern क्या था कि I used to tell him man push you can do so much more why are you like stopping. तो एंड में लाइक 2 डेट हुए 3 डेट हुए एट द एंड वही फीडबैक मिल रहा था. आई वाज लाइक मैन व्हाई आर यू नॉट पुशिंग फर्दर. मैंने उसको एक सिनेरियो दिया था, पुल योर हैंड आउट एंड लेट हर लाइक होल्ड योर हैंड, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग व्हाइल यू आर वॉकिंग इन द ट्रैफिक. तो वो बंदा बोला मैन शी जस्ट सेड नो एंड आई जस्ट कंप्लीटली शट डाउन, आई जस्ट स्टॉप्ड. सो एज मेन वी आर वायर्ड कि भाई नो मतलब खत्म, द गर्ल इज अनकंफर्टेबल, खत्म, वहीं पे हमारा खत्म हो गया. लाइक वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू एनीथिंग आफ्टर दैट. So, because we are gentlemen, right? We are not there to harass the girl, right? We are not going to go against her boundaries, right? If she is like, I said, Lakshman Rekha usne dal di. No. Now we guys are like, nahi, bhai, hum nahi jaane wale. But let us take a step back and thoda sa isko analyze karte hain. See, you might say one thing and do one thing. बहुत जनों ने सुना है ये. But when it comes to actuality, हमको थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होता है ये समझने में. तो देखो, ये no का क्या सीन है? She is trying to communicate with you. Hey. Like chill, like we are moving too fast, या फिर you need to, this is just a shit test, you need to calibrate. So based on that you need to move things forward. And यहाँ पे वो जो रहता है ना beginner noob versus experienced guy, यहाँ पे लड़कियों को difference दिख के आ जाता है. Okay, I just said no and this dude didn't do anything, that means he's a complete beginner and he doesn't know what he's doing. But at the same time, if an experienced guy, if a girl is like if a guy is like hold my hand and the girl is like no, he just looks at her, hold my pinky finger. ठीक है, so she just goes and holds his finger and he might say like I don't want you to die, just hold. So ये frame set कर रहे हैं हम लोग and the girl feels safe. Okay, this dude knows and I can just be in my feminine essence and I can just let go of myself. तो हर बार no का मतलब no नहीं रहता. At the same time, let me warn you, the girl might genuinely be saying hey, back off. वो hidden cues you need to find them. If वो समझ में आ जाता है, right? It's a felt thing. इट्स नॉट लाइक उसने नो बोल दिया तो नो, उसने प्रीतम ने बोला कि नो बोल दिया तो नो का मतलब ये, ऐसा नहीं. एट सम टाइम्स यू नीड टू बी एबल टू रिकैलिब्रेट थिंग्स. ठीक है, यू नीड टू ऑल्सो बी एबल टू थ्रो सम थिंग्स टू सी ओके उसका नो का मतलब एक्चुअली शी वाज मीनिंग नो या फिर शी इज जस्ट बीइंग प्लेफुल. ठीक है, सो गो एंड प्ले अराउंड विद दिस एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू नीड टू जस्ट स्टार्ट कीप पुशिंग इट. द वे यू गेट गुड एट दीज थिंग्स इट बाय गेटिंग विंस. एंड ये विंस कैसे मिलेंगे हमको? बाय द वे यू आर पुशिंग योर बाउंड्रीज. सो कल परसों विद दिस गाय आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, the guy who went on a date. So वो गया and he in his head he was like भाई number is the most I'm going to get out of this call. Number close. He went instant date, ये वो हुआ. They had coffee and when they came back I just asked what happened. Man, I took her number. Where does she live? No, she just was literally asking me what are your plans and I was like a stupid guy. I booked the cab for her. I'm like चूतिए तू उसको ले जा सकता था अपने बाइक पे. You could have literally dropped her off. You could have had dinner with her. You could have dropped at her place and see the logistics, what things were going on. He had those governors in his head कि मतलब इसके आगे मैं नहीं जाने वाला. So you just learn by pushing your boundaries. Push, see कहाँ तक जाता है. And yeah, that's how you learn. ठीक है. So basically for a beginner guy, it's like oh लड़की ने no बोल दिया. Okay, again, calibrate it, see things, push it. The next time when a girl says no, you might try to do something and you're like, oh, she reacted in such a positive way. Again, you build upon those wins and that's how you learn things forward. Okay, so hope you like this video. Again, no doesn't necessarily mean no all the time, but at the same time you need to be cautious, see what's going on. Okay, so also if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Also there should be a link down in the description for our school community. Hey, we just hit like 100 plus members. I would love to have you in my community. Thanks for watching. My name is Preetham and I will see you in the next one.